do a tutorial on the BH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquez palette. These colors are gorgeous, so like congrats to Daisy because I'm so excited. I love how the names are written on here. So I do kind of want to use the yellow. I think I want to do like a really pretty inner corner like yellow look. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. Just because like this color or this palette has so many pop of colors, I'm so inspired to add a little pop of color somewhere, and I do want to add that yellow. I have like a little vision in my head, you know, I just need to bring it to life. So we're gonna use this Time 204 brush. So I think we're gonna start off with this color called Dulce right here. And that's going to act as our transition shade. I've already used this palette a few times and I really love how it blends. Like it does blend very nicely. So this is gonna act as our transition. So we're gonna go in with this color called Vintage. So she doesn't really have like medium browns, which kind of sucks because that's kind of what I wanted to use, but that's okay. We'll make it work. So I'm just gonna add this color right underneath that first shade and blend them together. So since we are gonna do that pop of color of yellow, I don't really wanna make it stand out too much because I want that pop of color to be the main thing. So I'm gonna add some brown here. We're gonna use this color called Cocoa. It is like a pretty dark brown, so I'm not gonna grab a lot on my brush. I'm just gonna really blend it out so it's not too dark. So now what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to add some yellow liner. This is the NYX Vivid Lights. I'm going to see if I can put this in my waterline. I don't want it going inside of my eye. So let's see what happens. So I'm doing it mainly on the lower lash line. Oh, I'm actually pulling it off really well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just really want it to be on the lower lash line. So now for the bottom lash line, I was able to get like the yellow in there. So we're gonna use this color called Cocoa again, and we're just going to really put that right here on the lower lash line. So since I did add the yellow, you want to be careful like you don't cover that yellow part. I always feel like lower lash line shadow makes a huge difference. I'm going to stop it right there. And then next I'm just going to grab like a little brush. Oh, this is perfect. This is the Makeup Shack T66. And I'm going to grab that color Vintage and I'm going to use that to help blend out that brown color. So since I did use like a lot of, let me grab like a little fluffier brush. Okay, I'm going to try this one. This is the Morphe M507. And this is just going to really help it blend out. Yeah, this one's better. I feel like the first one that I grabbed was a little too stiff for that. So I probably was like never going to finish blending. Yeah, I really like how it looks with that pop of yellow right there. It just really makes the eyes pop a little more. So next we're going to add that yellow color and I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to use this yellow one and mix it with the white one together because the yellow one is very matte. The white one is a really pretty shimmer, but that's white. I want to make like a yellow shimmer. So I'm going to mix both of them together. So I'm grabbing some yellow and some of the white, and we're going to add it to the inner corner right here. So first one is, okay, so I'm just gonna grab just yellow, add it to the inner corner. I like how it looks so far. It looks really cool with the yellow eyeliner. Then I added some of the yellow. I want to grab like a little bit of the white and just really concentrate it right here in the corner. This is just going to help the yellow be a little more like shiny and shimmery. I'm going to use my favorite, the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. And then right after this, I'm just going to apply like a thin liner on top and some lashes. I really don't know if I'm going to do wing liner. I don't think I am. Like, even though I love doing wing liner, I feel like some looks go really good with wing liner and I feel like some just don't. So I don't think I'm gonna use wing liner for today. Okay, so I'm just going to do like a little thin liner on top. So these lashes have been one of my favorites so far. These are from Lash Nest. These are the Brie lashes. So I'm going to finish off the eyes and I'll be right back. This is the eye look so far. I really love it. I feel like the lashes definitely complete it and I'm really glad I didn't do a wing liner. So for lips, I'm going to use the Sweet Tea liner. Hold on, I need to sharpen this real quick. I mean, it's ridiculous. Like, this is so tiny. Like, this is my lip liner, guys. This is clearly like my favorite lip liner. And I always do like a nude lip, so it's my favorite. Okay, and then for lipstick today, I think I'm going to use this one. I haven't used this one in a very long time. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is Christmas Cookie. So this is such a pretty packaging. I got this, I think I got it like in some sort of like mystery box or something. I don't remember exactly because it was a really long, I think it was like last year. So I don't even remember what this color looks like. I just know it's a nude. It's a little too pink for my taste. Yeah, I'm not really into pinky colors, but that's why it's good to have like a brown lip liner. So like this Sweet Tea lip liner is like a nudish brown. So I'm going to blend them both in. So you can actually like transform your liquid lipsticks with a lip liner. Oh, that's a lot better. See, if I would have used like a different lip liner, it would have come out more pink. So now it looks kind of ombre. It looks a lot better now. I'm so glad I... See, this is why this is my favorite lip liner, because you can definitely transform your lipsticks.